In this video, I'll guide you through how to use AI in Google Docs. Whether you're drafting an email, writing an essay, or polishing a report, the built-in AI tools can save you a lot of time and help you write more clearly. We'll go step by step from opening your document to generating and inserting AI-powered text, so you can start using these features right away. First, open Google Docs the way you normally would. You can either create a brand new blank document or open an existing one that you want to improve. It doesn't matter which you choose for this process. The AI tools work in both cases. Once your document is open and you can see your cursor blinking on the page, you're ready to start working with AI. Now, let's look for the AI features inside Google Docs. Depending on the version and region, you may see a Help Me Write box or a similar AI prompt directly in the document, usually near the top or along the left-hand side when your cursor is on the page. This feature is designed to help you quickly ask the AI to generate or improve content. If you don't see a Help Me Write prompt, don't worry. In many setups, you'll instead see an icon for Gemini, Google's AI assistant, usually near your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that Gemini icon. This opens up a panel or prompt area where you can interact with the AI. Functionally, it does the same thing as the Help Me Write box. It just lives in a slightly different place in the interface. Once you've found either the Help Me Write option or the Gemini panel, it's time to tell the AI what you need. Click into the prompt field and type a clear instruction. For example, you might say, write a professional email requesting a project update or improve this paragraph to sound more formal, and then paste in your existing text. The more specific and descriptive you are, the better the results will be. You can mention tone, length, and purpose, such as make this friendlier and keep it under 150 words. After you've written your prompt, submit it. The AI will think for a moment and then generate a draft based on your instructions. Take a moment to read through what it creates. Check for accuracy, make sure the tone matches what you want, and see if it covers all the points you had in mind. You can usually regenerate or refine the response if it's close but not quite right by updating your prompt or asking for adjustments like shorter, more detailed, or simpler language. When you're happy with the generated text, it's time to insert it into your document. In many cases, you'll see an option to insert the text directly where your cursor is, replacing selected text if you highlighted something, or adding new content if your cursor is on a blank line. Click the Insert option, and the AI-generated content will appear in your document as regular text that you can edit normally. From here, feel free to tweak wording, rearrange sentences, or combine the AI's draft with your own writing. Think of the AI as a smart writing assistant. It can help you get started faster and refine your ideas, but you always stay in control of the final result. With these steps, you now know how to use AI in Google Docs to generate, improve, and insert text quickly and effectively.